Okay, my name is Shipun Kumar Ravidas. I am the General Secretary of Bangladesh Dalit and Ex-Liberated Rights Movement, BDRM Central Committee. So, BDRM established in Bangladesh in 2008. From 2008 till now, we are working for the development and ensure the human rights of Dalit communities. And in our organization, we are not working only with Harijan, not working with Ravidas, Koblar. We have a list of 109 communities, separate communities.
109 communities.
109 communities here. So
which is the biggest community here among them?
Yeah.
Which is the biggest?
Which is the biggest? Here Ravidas.
Ravidas,
yeah. Then Rishi. Then Bashpur.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rishi, what do Rishis do?
Yeah, Rishi is like Ravidas also, Charmakar community, but Ravidasiya community came from Uttar Pradesh, UP, and they have they are Bhojpurian, Kanpuri, Nagri, Deshwali language,
yeah,
but Rishi are the Bengali.
Oh,
that is the difference.
Bengali. Okay,
Yeah.
Rishi are the Bengali Charmakars.
Yeah, Bengali Charmakar, exactly. Deshwali Charmakar are the Ravidas and Bengali Charmakar is the Rishi. But their profession is same.
Yeah.
Same.
The number is the bigger number is of the Ravidas.
Ravidas, yeah.
And they speak the same language, Bhojpuri. Still speak the Bhojpuri.
Still.
And follow the traditions and
follow the tradition, yeah. Baap Dada ke tradition, yeah. Uttar Pradesh ka, yeah.
Bihar.
But yeah, Bihar. My jela is Munger jela. I am Mungeria, yeah.
अच्छा मुंगेर जिले से
Munger jela se.
तो कभी have you ever been to Munger?
No.
But you have connections there? Relatives.
Relative, okay. But we are from, most of the Ravidas came from Muzaffarpur, Are, Chhapra, Balia, yeah,
okay.
UP, this area.
Okay. So tell me, like, what is the number? Can I ask you, like, how many are there in Bangladesh? What is the exact number of the Dalits in Bangladesh?
Exact
number, population.
Already Bangladesh government published a report said by Ministry of Social Welfare. They said that 6.5 million Dalit lives in Bangladesh. 6.5.
This is the figure which year?
Yeah.
Which year's figure is this?
Before 7 years ago.
7 years ago.
Before 7 years ago, government published this report that 6.5 million Dalit lives in this country.
That means after 7 years, it must be about a crore.
Yeah.
No. 65 lakhs.
Oh, 6.5 million.
65 lakh, but I am saying after
75 lakh.
It must be 75 lakh. No?
Exactly.
Okay,
75 lakh.
Okay, so tell me about, like, is untouchability practiced in Bangladesh among the society?
Yeah. Most of the Harijan community, basically Bashpur, Domar, Hela, Raut, Hari, this community, they always faced the untouchability issue. In Bangladesh, in the North Bengal area, like Lalmonirhat, Kurigram, Gaibandha district most of the Dalit faced that. In the morning time, if they want to go to a restaurant for tea or snacks, the shopkeepers don't give to entrance them into the restaurant.
Oh, they are not allowed.
Not allowed.
They are not allowed to enter in the restaurant.
Exactly.
And they have to pick up their own glass or the glass? Apna glass leke aate?
Own glass.
Oh.
Yeah, own glass. But if he failed to carry his or her own glass, then the shopkeeper or restaurant owner used a number 2 glass or number 2 mug. That backside of mug or backside of plate, they painted number 2 by color.
Okay.
That means it's not for mainstream
general public.
Exactly, general. Only for Dalit communities, only for Harijan or sweeper communities. And they used that they throw the paratha or nasta
अपर से
ऊपर से
अच्छा।
नीचे एंड नीचे
They
में
have to
एक
like,
पेपर हाथ में धरे
हाँ।
दे दिया एंड दे कैरी दियर ओन मग ऊपर से ढाल देता
ऊपर से डाल देते हैं।
exactly and that is the common scenario still now common scenario for Dalit communities in
So that means the
Basically.
cobblers in Dhaka or elsewhere are mostly Dalits,
yeah
not Muslims.
I know very few
Very few number
very
of
few
Muslims.
very few number
Mainly the Dalits.
Mainly Dalits.
All the Manual Stranger, they are all mainly Dalits.
yeah but
Manual Islam is 100% Dalit.
100% yeah but one point is that in manual scavenging or cleaning profession most of the mainstream people also willing to join
With
only
job
for
money.
job only for money only for government job
that was told to me in Bhola also.
Yeah.
जैसे वो sign करने जाता है
हाँ, हाँ,
and he will appoint another
another Harijan or
हाँ.
Dalit
another
for
Harijan
this.
to keep clean the things and he will be enjoying things at home or he will go on the last day signing the register.
exactly
It-
and
it's
that is the challenge for a cleaner community in Bangladesh. They always demand that 80% cleaner quota
So
for
please
Jat
not-
sweeper. Yeah, because most of the cleaner, most of the Harijan, they have no another profession to enter.
Yeah, they don't get any job.
No any job. So they always used to clean or sweeping profession. So they demand that this profession have to reserve for this community only. If they lost their job, lost their profession, what will be the next option? Yeah.
And
So that is that.
this discrimination, like the untouchability, this is done by everyone or this is done by the particular people?
Everywhere,
Everywhere.
but untouchability issue is much in rural area.
In rural area, not
Yeah,
in rural, not in
than the
urban.
city area, because in city area
You don't know the
don't care who you are from, what kind of community. So in rural area, everyone knows you come from Cobbler community, you come from Harijan community, you
Yeah.
come from
Most of these
pig
people don't
rearer
have the
community.
land to live also.
Yeah, exactly.
Most of them are absolutely homeless and landless.
Homeless and landless, exactly.
Do you have figures about this? How many of the communities are engaged in manual scavenging?
Yeah, we have a survey, but I have no specific data now. But for accommodation, one point have to mention that most of the Harijan community, their profession is to sweep or clean. That's why mainstream don't accept them as a mainstream people. That's why if a Harijan community or Dalit community have much money to buy some land, but mainstream people not allowed to buy, to sell the land to him or her,
Okay.
because they are from Dalit community or Harijan community. Yeah, so they have some puja parvan, they have some ritual, they have another type of language, and that is the difference. For this why mainstream people always avoid them. So that is also the point. They have no land. Although they have some money, if some Harijan or Dalit collect some money, but they have no right to buy land for themselves.
Nobody will sell them.
Nobody will sell them. Yeah. And also they faced challenge to for apartment house rent time. Yeah.
Okay.
They also faced more and more challenge.
Because when I was in Bhola, they say they had come in 1930s.
Yeah. 1930s.
And from Buxar.
Yeah.
And since 1930 they saw partition also, and then Bangladesh also came into being. And there were several families who have not got houses. Like almost all of them are like have no house,
Hmm.
they are paying rent to the government,
Exactly. It is.
and they say that government can throw away any day.
Yeah, and our recent incident is that in Mironjila Horizon colony, you know. So the government, basically Dhaka South City Corporation Authority, demolished their house because they want to build a
Mall, something
shopping mall.
shopping mall.
Yeah. So their statement is that if you have a job in city corporation area, then we will manage your accommodation. But if you have
But
no
once
job,
somebody retires, then what happens?
what happens? Yeah, exactly.
Because nobody else is going to give him the house.
No.
So another thing is that is there any job reservation for Dalits in Bangladesh?
No, but previous government just signed a notice that 80% reservation for Jat sweeper community. Mention that 80% cleaning profession reserved for Jat sweeper,
For the Harijan,
for the Harijan, only for Harijan.
80% among the sweeping job.
Among the sweeping job, only sweeping job, only
But-
cleaning
but-
job.
but
But this is not finally by bill or
This is not finalized.
no, just a notice.
So the government wants the sweeper to be sweeper.
Exactly, only sweeper, not for Dalit. We have no any commission, we have no any law, we have no any ministry for Dalit community in
thing is,
Bangladesh.
suppose you are from a Harijan community,
Okay,
suppose,
okay.
and you are like educated person,
Yeah.
you have done law,
Yeah.
and you want to get a job. Will government give you a job, or will government say you go to sweep?
Okay, that is the good question. If I will be more educated,
Yeah.
okay, and then I apply for a government job, then my residential address
Yeah.
also will be the challenge, because I am from city colony. I am from more difficulties in interview board, because they mentioned that he or she is not come from mainstream community, he is from Dalit community, so avoid.
So there is like at every level,
Every level,
discrimination.
Every stage of life we have to
Do
face.
teachers discriminate in schools? Or colleges?
Also.
What kind of discrimination?
Most of the primary school, the teacher said that our child, please clean the room,
Okay.
clean the toilet. Yeah, so that is the point. They
পিছনের বেঞ্চে
hmm?
পিছনের বেঞ্চে বসতে
Yeah. And also, most of the time, the teacher and the school authority said that please be seated
In the back.
in the back, not in front. So this type of
There was like many things like pre-partition days when a number of the Valmikis converted to Christianity.
exactly.
Or is any I don't know whether they converted to Islam also or not. Is the movement here, or the people are still Muslims are not interested to convert them to Islam?
Yeah, also in Bangladesh, most of the Rishi community in southern part of Bangladesh, they are converted in Christianity. Yeah, and thora in Muslim also, but this is not remarkable. But Christianity percentage is much in southern
अच्छा
part.
ऐसा क्यों है? मतलब क्या लगता है आपको? ये मुस्लिम क्यों नहीं बनाना चाहता? मतलब जैसे कि मुसलमान क्यों नहीं बनना चाहते, या मुस्लिम क्यों नहीं इंटरेस्टेड?
ना ठीक है, but Christian missionary they always tried their best to convert them, because they said that in Hinduism or Sanatan religion में या धर्म में ब्राह्मण क्षत्रिय वैश्य शूद्र, this four part, but Dalit and Harijan community are absent in four part, because they are not shudra, they are namo shudra or outcast. So that is the point. That's why they said that if you want to equity, if we want to your life safe, so you can take Christianity as a religion. So they always, and most of the time, the Christian missionary, they offer some job, offer some facilities to Dalit communities.
So basically,
If you converted, then we will.
तो पैसा देगा तब काम होगा.
Exactly. That is also the point.
No, but I'm saying is कि why this movement has not grown. जैसे इंडिया में भी होता है कई बार, जैसे मुस्लिम भी बोलते हैं, सिख भी बोलते हैं, या कोई और भी बोलेगा. तो ये मतलब बांग्लादेश में मुस्लिम जो रिलीजियस लीडरशिप है वो नहीं बोलते कि भाई हम तो यू आर नो वी विल ट्रीट यू इक्वल, यू बिकम मुस्लिम. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता.
No,
क्यों नहीं बोलते?
but very few. But Christianity is much.
but Christianity
They also offer accommodation also. घर देता, चाकरी देता, नौकरी देता. That's why they are.
तो दलित यहाँ पर जो बांग्लादेश के अंदर हैं वो मतलब अपना जो है धर्म, कस्टम, ट्रेडिशन कौन सा फॉलो करते हैं, कैसे फॉलो करते हैं? जैसे बिहार के करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं?
Okay. Who are from Kanpur, Nagpur, Bhojpur, they maintain their ritual.
Okay.
As a Ravidas, I and my family always maintain our Bhojpurian culture,
Okay.
Deshwali culture. We celebrate Chhat Mai ke puja,
अच्छा, छठ माई की पूजा
Chhat
करते हैं.
Pavni,
अच्छा अच्छा. Okay.
Naumi karela, and Chatiyar karela, Baraiya karela, Ikusa karela,
Okay.
and that type of totally related with Bhojpurian culture.
ओके. तो वो आप लोग सब करते हैं?
सब लोग करता है.
जैसे इंडिया में जो मूवमेंट चली, जो अपने को अम्बेडकराइट मूवमेंट कहते हैं, वो थोड़ा धर्म से अलग हुए. क्योंकि वहाँ बुद्धिज्म का एक मूवमेंट चला बहुत बड़ा. बाबा साहब ने कहा कि भाई आपको जो है सब अंधविश्वास छोड़ना चाहिए, सुपरस्टिशन से बाहर आओ. तो इज देयर एनी सच मूवमेंट इन बांग्लादेश की भाई अंधविश्वास थोड़ा दूर रहे और दलितों के अंदर जैसे है कुछ, उनको अम्बेडकर के बारे में कुछ पता है? डॉक्टर अम्बेडकर के बारे में क्या है और क्या बोला?
So I spent 4.5 months in Nepal last year. So I experienced that most of the Dalit communities converted into Buddhism in Pokhara area, in Saptari, Siraha area. We already visited. Most of the Koblar, most of the Ravidas, Rishi, that Safitol, they are converted in Buddhism. But in Bangladesh, Buddhism is not raising. So we are dependent on Hinduism here, and also like India or like Nepal, we have no much movement with Ambedkar. Ambedkar is, and Dalit also, is a new concept. Basically, this concept came in Bangladesh before 12 years ago, before 12 years ago or 15 years ago. So I think for a movement, for a national or international movement, 15 years movement is not
at all. Not
at all. Exactly. But now Ambedkar is known here. Dalit movement is known here, but not popularized. I think not popularized like India.
So,
but day by day we are improving our
that's
movement.
Good. Did you like जो पूरी दलित मूवमेंट में यहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़ा नाम था डॉक्टर अम्बेडकर के साथ में जोगिंद्र नाथ मंडल का.
Exactly.
Who was from Khulna. जैसोर और खुलना से वो थे. And he brought Dr. Ambedkar to Constituent Assembly in India.
Exactly.
तो ये बंगाल के जो आप लोगों के जो दलित मूवमेंट लोग हैं उनको पता है उनके बारे में कुछ कौन थे क्या थे?
But जोगिंद्रनाथ मंडल का जो कम्युनिटी छ, Namashudra community. So they are known as also Mutua community. Harichand Guruchand ka. So they have another type of movement in Bangladesh. They have a specific temple also in Ramana Kali Mandir ke side. Harichand Guru ke temple. Harichand Guruchand के आलादा टेम्पल एंड आलादा अलग अलग माने प्रार्थना प्रेयर दैट टाइप. सो they have a unity within Motua, within
not
Namushudro,
outside. Yeah.
not outside.
No, they don't go outside beyond the community.
Exactly. But nowadays, their leaders, Advocate Utpal Vishwas, Advocate Mintu Kumar Mondol, Kartik Thakur, they are willing to connect with indigenous peoples, Dalit communities, tea garden area workers. That nowadays just.
Communities के आपसी रिश्ते हैं. How are the relationship between different Dalit communities in Bangladesh?
In Bangladesh, intercaste marriage is not much not allowed, not interested our communities, because I am from Ravidas. I am not interested to marry
Outside your community.
or outside communities. So that is the ritual. But nowadays, for love relationship or that type of relationship, now intercaste marriage hota,
हो रहा है.
but very few.
But not just merely intercaste, but और भी ऐसे जो social programs होते हैं.
है ना,
events
था
हैं.
होता.
People meet each other, come each other. Like can the Ravidasis dine or eat with the Harijans?
That's also very few. That's also very few because we have a social structure. Harijan community, separate community के social structure अलग अलग.
अभी उनको साथ में बैठाने का कोई attempt नहीं हुआ है.
होता, but
It's very difficult.
Because they have a specific ritual. They have Pradhan, Sariyadar, Kuriyadar, Mandal, Chaudhuri, that type of social structure. So most of the time, in marriage time, in death, in birth anniversary, that type of anniversary they celebrate separately because they have
Also about the food culture, maybe different.
Food culture also different.
Because we
and they have also separate घर का देवता.
हाँ, वो तो
घर का देवता. So if I Manasa Devi का पूजा करेला, but not accepted by Valmiki or Raut.
Santoshi Mata is very popular in Bangladesh.
Popular in Bangladesh, exactly. Santoshi Mata, तारपरे अपना मनसा माता.
अच्छा. Because I went to this Valmiki place where they had a Santoshi Mata मंदिर.
Exactly, संतोषी माता.
तो चलिए बहुत अच्छा आपने बताया ये. Do you think that sometimes that the non-Bengali speaking Dalits and Bengali speaking Dalits, is there a gap between them or acceptance से लेके or other things like Namo Shudras, the Valmikis?
Exactly. In Bangladesh, 2 point. Indigenous community, basically Janajati Adivasi community is developed than Dalit.
Okay.
Like that, Bengali Dalit, Bangla Bhasavaji Dalit also developed than Bhojpurian Dalit. Yeah, that is the point. Bengali Dalit also think that Bhojpurian Dalit are untouchable from themselves.
That is the question.
That is the, yeah. But in our movement, BDRM always tried our best to
like
communicate each
you are a Bhojpuri
other.
Dalit. You are a Bhojpuri Dalit.
Bhojpuri Dalit, yeah.
So you tell me, like, has your leadership ever been like nobody will say it directly, but do you think that the Bengali speaking Dalit might feel like, how is he leading?
Yeah. That type of thinking also working in our community. In Bengali community, they think that why he lead us. But one point is that in Bangladesh, in Dalit movement, most of the leaders and most of the activists are from Bhojpurian or Deshwali.
Okay.
That's why Bengali Dalits are few. We are more.
So that's why the movement grew up very late.
Exactly.
That means that the Bengali Dalits had not done much for the Dalit movement here.
Exactly.
And it is growing because the Bhojpuri Dalits are now coming up and saying that we need justice and
Yeah. But Bengali Dalit in Motua communities, बहुत बड़ा community.
तो वो तो उनका अपने बीच का ही काम होने क्या ना.
But they already established.
Yeah, they are well established.
Most of the representative of Motua or Namushudra community, they are in government job. they have much education, they have more and more profession. They already set. In Bangladesh, although Namashudra community thought that they are Dalit, but most of the Namashudra community or Bengali Dalit don't feel shy to think that I am Dalit, I am from Dalit. And only Harijan community and Deshwali cultured community, they proudly said that we are Dalit community. But in the major part of Bengali Dalit, they don't say we are Dalit. But they took the opportunity.
They use the opportunity when the government jobs and all those things.
Exactly.
But otherwise they don't say they are Dalit.
No.
Like for the jobs, they are Dalits.
Exactly.
But when there are no jobs and nothing involved, then they are not. Like mixing up is not there.
Yes.
Common mixing up, like socializing, social gathering. This is not that.
Not that. But Nepal में एगो बोई पढ़ले बानी, they mentioned that Dalit concept is related with untouchable issue.
Yeah.
If you have no any untouchable issue, you are not Dalit. That type of concept.
That is
true.
That is there.
But in Bangladesh, most of the Navashudra community, most of the Bengali Dalit, they have no untouchability. They are totally touchable. They although they have some.
They might have some point of time, but not now.
Although they have discriminated from.
But they are not untouchable.
Yeah, exactly. That is the point. But here, who are untouchable, they have active role in Dalit movement.
So you mean to say, like normally Namashudra say that they were untouchables, but you are saying they are not untouchables.
Yeah.
In Bangladesh.
In Bangladesh. But they already developed, they already established. That's why they don't feel the essentiality to identify themselves as Dalit. Because already they.
So that's also like a class structure developed, and people move away upward and they don't want to associate with the other people.
Exactly.
So thank you. What is the number of the scavengers in Bangladesh?
Bangladesh Harijan Oko Parishad said that 15 lakh Harijan community. Their statement.
Okay.
But they have no specific survey or data. But they always delivered their statement by most of the discussion meeting or
have you
gathering.
ever campaigned that the Dalit community in Bangladesh should be given representation and reservation in the government job and parliament and assemblies? Is there any movement or is there any job reservation? Non-sanitation jobs.
Exactly. But their organization, Harijan Oko Parishad, or separate this 8 community, they always said that please ensure our percentage, ensure our reservation only for Jat Sweeper job.
But that might be because they are facing discrimination.
Exactly.
They feel that they might not get other jobs also. So that's why they want to ensure that job is ours.
Exactly. Yeah.
But it doesn't mean that they should not get if there are educated boys and girls.
And also they already demanded that from our community, who our child already educated, they need in general profession, not Harijan job or sweeper job. They already demanded. But most of the time, their leaders, their organization said that the government should ensure our reservation of 80% in Jat Sweeper community job.
So what yourself, your education and your parents, and what are they doing, and how, what is your qualification, what have you done so far?
Okay. I am from a Koblar community, Ravidasiya community is Koblar in Bangladesh. I have 4 sisters and 4 brothers. Okay. So total 9 sister brothers.
Okay.
Yeah. My father already died in 2011. My mother
is a housewife.
Yeah. And I completed BA honors in English and also masters in English.
Okay.
In 2017 may complete masters.
Okay.
And I involved with BDRM movement, Dalit movement from 2011. 2011, and before 2011, I was involved some indigenous communities movement and minority communities movement in my area that called Bogura district.
Bogura.
Yeah.
दिनाजपुर
I am
के
from-
पास में.
Yeah. Dinajpur के पास में गायबांधा,
North Bengal.
North Bengal area.
North Bengal side.
Yeah, and I am totally committed to work for our community, and I am very interested to work for our development and ensure our human rights issue.
What is the status of women here?
I mean, half
Dalit
person
women.
of
No, 1/2% तो है. उनका situation कैसा है? उनका condition कैसा है? Are they equal or in the scavenging? Are they more or less?
Okay, so in Bangladesh, most of the Dalit women are discriminated by two ways. One from mainstream community and another from their own community. Because most of the Dalit Panchayat community, Panchayat committee, yeah, so they don't allow their leadership. They don't allow their voice raise. So that is the remarkable portion is that Dalit women have no option to express their sorrows or etc. To the mainstream people, also to our own society. So
And like, are you demanding, like when you say that atrocities
atrocities
happens in Bangladesh?
also happen. Most of the time our girl and women faced by rape or physical atrocities also.
So, like, there are two things, like Dalits and Hindus. Dalits are mostly Hindus here.
Yeah, exactly.
Dalits consider themselves Hindus.
Hindus.
So, is this violence is a religious dimension also?
Also religious, but most of the mainstream people or the attackers, they say they thought that from Dalit community they are very weak, socially weak. They have no any power to protest. That's why they always choose our community to attack.
Like, who are the attackers? Who are the attackers?
From the mainstream community.
Who is the mainstream community?
Politically powerful person.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts.
Thank you also.